Hi children, very good morning to you all. I hope that you all are doing very well. Me too, doing very fine. Okay, today I am going to tell you one important topic from your second inter English grammar, right? And well, today's our topic is word stress. What is it? Word stress. Okay, this word stress carries 4 marks in your IP public examination. It will be given in the last bits. Fine. If you concentrate on this word stress, you can score 4 marks out of 4. Fine. They will give 10 words and we have to attempt 8 words. For that 8 words we will get each a half mark. Okay, come on, let us know what is word stress. Okay, students, you all might have known that, and you all might have using the words unknowingly or knowingly with a stress. For example, I am going to utter a word stress. So, where did I put my stress of my tone? Word stress. So, I put at W and stress. It is very simple. Don't get mess up with these things. Okay. In your first year English grammar, you all might have learned that how to do the syllables, how to identify the syllables, monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, polysyllable, like that. When you know how to divide the words in a syllabic form, then I can say that you can easily understand the word stress. Now, how can we learn word stress from syllables, right? Okay, let us go into the common basic rules of word stress. What are that? What is that? Common basic rules of word stress. Okay, come on. Now let us go to our first slide about the common rules, right? Word stress types. Fine. How many types of word stress are there? There are many types, but normally the basic thing we have to keep in our mind is we can maximum have uh, two types of word stress. In later slides I will explain. Now let us concentrate on word stress types. See here, you can see, let us see the first one, noun. In the nouns, the stress mark appears at the first letter of the syllable. The stress mark appears at the first letter of the syllable. For example, there is a word doctor, right? You can see here, doctor. Where can we keep the stress word in the noun? This is a common noun. Fine. The first letter where I have kept the stress, here you see I put at D, right? Okay, now take the second example, actor. Actor, stress, actor, stress is at the first letter. And now teacher, where is the stress? T, right here. Here we have to keep the stress symbol in noun, right? Fine. Now let us come to our next example, next type. Now let us come to the next type, verb. Now where will the stress mark appears in the verb? Okay. Now here is a simple formula, second syllable of the first letter. Second syllable of the first letter. Fine. Okay. You can also see the examples here. I have given 3 examples here. One is protect, second one is conduct, third one is protest. These all are verbs. So when we utter, we can easily identify whether it is a noun or a verb. right? Doctor, doctor, is it a verb? No, it is a noun, it is a common noun. Actor, is it a verb? No, so it is noun. And teacher, is it a verb? No, it is a noun. So where we have to keep the stress symbol on the nouns? First letter of the syllable, right? And in the verbs, where we have to keep the stress mark? Second syllable first letter, second syllable's first letter, means here T, here D, here T, right? Where did I keep? PROTEST, means before T I kept. In conduct, CONDUCT, conduct. Before D I kept the stress mark. And in protest, before T I kept the stress mark. Fine. I hope you understood the basic rules and basic formula that you have to keep in your mind. Fine. Now let us move to our next slide. Now rule 1. What is the rule 1? See here. Rule 1. In the rule 1, weak prefix, second syllable. What is weak prefix and second syllable? You all might know the prefixes. Prefixes, here the special prefixes are given in the rule 1. At that places, at that words, the stress symbol, how the stress symbol should be. Now the weak prefixes, where it comes? Second syllable, right? Word that starts with A, B, D, R and CON. Words that starts with A or B or D or E, RE and CON are the weak prefixes. So let us have the example. Let us see the example. Alone, alone, weak prefixes. Before, defeat, resident, continue. These are the weak prefixes. So what we have to understand by the first rule? Rule 1, weak prefixes, second syllable, word that starts with A or B or D or RE or CON. For example, I have and examples also I have mentioned here. Okay, now let us move to our next slide. Now let us move to our next slide and rule 2. Now it is rule 2. What is rule 2? Words end with T. Fine. Words end with teen. Here I have given example also. Example words are there. 15. Where did I keep the stress? Here at before T. And here one more word is there, preteen. Where did I keep the stress word? At before T. Now another example, 16. Where did I keep the stress word? Stress symbol before T. So second rule is, what we have to understand? What is the second rule? Second rule is word end with teen. Words end with, second rule is words end with teen. Fine. I hope you understood the second rule also. Now let us move to our third rule. Okay. Rule 3 is a bigger one. Even though it is bigger, I will make you understand. So suffixes ending with EE, EER, ETTE, QUE, AIRE, etc. And stress on, the formula is stress on last syllable with some exceptions. Last syllable. Stress on last syllable. This is the formula. Suffixes ending with EE, EER, ETTE, QUE, AIRE, etc. Stress on last syllable. Where can we keep the stress mark? Last syllable. Right? Now let us see the first example here from EE, EER and ETTE. Fine. Employee, employee. M is the first syllable. PLO is the second syllable. YEE is the third syllable. And Where did I keep the stress mark? EE before there is one more word, Y, employee. So on the last syllable I put the stress mark. Fine. And now let us see next word, engineer. Engineer. See here, EER before in N G near. This is a polysyllable trisyllabic word, N G near. So EER is there now. Before that there is one more word, that is near. So this is the last syllable. So I kept the stress here, stress mark here. Now let us move to the second example. Unique. Unique. Millionaire. Fine. Second example. Unique. 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 It is a disyllabic word. Fine. Unique. Fine. Where did I keep the stress mark? Here before ni. So here I here two words. Here last syllable. Here we have to understand that we keep the stress mark at the last syllable. Now let us take a millionaire. Millionaire. Nair. Okay. Here I kept the stress here. Okay. Here I kept the stress symbol. Fine. Let us move to the third example. First over, second over, and now third example. Here decoration. Decoration. Now here little. Now here we have to concentrate that little bit changes will occur. That is why here with some exceptions in QE and IAIRE and words with ION, IAL, IC, IOUS, EOUS, the words end with ION, IAL, IC, IOUS, EOUS, and the formula we have to keep in our mind is second syllable from the end. Second syllable from the end. See here, decoration. 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 It is four syllable. It is having four syllables. Means a polysyllable. DE is the first syllable. CO is the second syllable. RA is the third syllable. Shun. TION is the fourth syllable. But here, what did I say? Second syllable from the end. So TION is the first syllable, RA is the second syllable in this decoration word. Now here official, official, CIAL. So official. It is trisyllabic word. Here CL is the first syllable from the end and phi is the second syllable from the end. So where did I keep the stress mark? At the second syllable from the end. Now let us come to next example, academic. Academic. How many syllables are there? Academic. Mic is the from the last. We have to see from the last. Mic. De. Aka. We see here 4. So from the end, the second syllable is D. So I kept the stress mark at D. Fine. Now let us move to the next word, delicious. Delicious. CS is the first syllable and Li is the second syllable, D is the first syllable. So where did I keep the stress mark? At the second syllable from the end, here, right here. Now let us take the next word, courageous. Courageous. See the word courageous. 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 Us is the first syllable. Rage is the second syllable from the end. K is the first syllable from the end. So where did I keep the stress mark? Not at the first syllable, but here. Second syllable from the end. So I hope that you understood it very well. Now let us move to our rule 4. Now let us move to our rule 4. Words ending with IAN, IC, AL, ITY, IZE, LOGY, GRAPHY, etc. Third syllable from the end. Third syllable from the end. Okay. Musician. Musician. Mu is the first syllable. C is the second syllable. C is the third syllable. An is the fourth syllable. So what did I say? Third syllable from the end. Where is the third one? An from the ending. Let us see from the end. An is the first syllable from the end. Ci is the second syllable. Si is the third syllable. Fine. So I kept at the stress mark. So I kept the stress mark at S. Now history. 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 His is the first syllable. T is the second syllable. O is the third syllable. Ry is the fourth syllable. Ry from the ending. Let us see from the ending. Ry is the first syllable. O is the second syllable. T is the third syllable. So I kept the stress mark at T. Now see, velocity. Velocity. Now let us see from the end. Ty is the first syllable. Ci is the second syllable. Lo is the third syllable from the end. Velo. So I kept the stress mark at L. Fine. Okay. Criticize. In the same way, word criticize. Criticize. Z is the first syllable. Ci is the second syllable. Ti is the third syllable. So I kept the stress mark at T. Now biology. Let us take the next word. Biology. Bi. B. O. L. G. Biology. GY is the first. Let us see from the ending. GY is the first syllable. Lo is the second syllable. O is the third syllable. O is the third syllable. So I kept the stress mark at O. Now see geography. Geography. PHY is the first syllable from the end. GRA is the second syllable and O is the third syllable. I hope you have understood the rule 4 also. What you have to do is you have to practice vigorously from your text, and there are some pages in your textbook of revision, so you can get from those revision tests you can get the stress questions, and even you can practice from your text also, from your textbook lessons also. Fine. I hope that you understood the video and the topic very well. Let us meet in our next video, and I hope that you all will sound well and practice well. And I also would like to give you a bit of homework that I have told basic rules first, that is from noun and verb, and I have also told you 4 types of rules. So you have to do at least 5 examples. You have to identify 5 words and put the stress mark and post to my WhatsApp number. I hope that you all will do it. So thank you for watching, my dear children. Until then, keep good health. Take care.